Does taking high protein diet increase the chance of heart disease, cancer, or kidney damage? Usually people are asking such doubt. Let's take a look at scientific evidence and studies to understand whether the high protein diet are really that risky. Are you also having such doubt? Guys, welcome. This video is brought to you by Hugo Life, India's largest 100% authentic protein and supplement store. One by one, let's go through the potential side effects of high protein. Let's start with constipation. क्या हाई प्रोटीन डाइट से आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन होगा? According to the study done by European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, participants who followed such a high protein diet and low carbohydrate, among them 44% of the people suffered constipation. आप एक बात समझिए, अगर आपके डाइट में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स ही नहीं है या कम है तो आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन होगा. टू बैलेंस आउट दैट यू नीड टू इनटेक फाइबर. वेयर यू विल गेट फाइबर्स फ्रॉम? फाइबर्स यू विल गेट इट फ्रॉम ओट्स, फ्रॉम वेजिटेबल्स, salads, etc. To fulfill the fiber intake in the body, you can have psyllium husk, which is also known as isabgol. It is one of the best way to cover your fiber ratio in the body. एक और चीज, if your diet is high protein diet or you are consuming protein powders, you need water to absorb those proteins in your body. If you will not provide appropriate amount of water, definitely you will get constipation. So to avoid constipation or bloating, you need to have 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Next one is kidney damage. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि हाई प्रोटीन डाइट या प्रोटीन पाउडर लेने से उनकी किडनी खराब हो सकती है, लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू जर्नल of nutrition and metabolism, if you are a healthy individual, there is no relation between high protein diet, protein powder with the kidney damage. Even a 2015 review paper published in Journal of Applied Physiology, Nutrition and Metabolism, it's concluded that high protein diet or protein powder have no relation to renal failure. और अगर आपको पहले से किडनी इश्यूज है, then consult a doctor and then start with protein. The reason is, if you intake protein, kidneys need to work efficiently to remove the waste from your body. But a healthy individual with high protein diet will not have any kidney problems. Next is cancer. आजकल लोग किसी भी चीज को कैंसर से रिलेट करते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग हाई प्रोटीन डाइट. इस पे जामा जर्नल ऑफ अमेरिकन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन ने एक स्टडी की थी. उसमें 2 पार्टिसिपेंट्स ग्रुप बनाए गए. ग्रुप 1 जिसमें प्रोसेस्ड मीट वाज अ फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोटीन. ग्रुप 2 व्हिच हैड अदर सोर्सेज ऑफ प्रोटीन. जिस ग्रुप में प्रोसेस्ड मीट पाया गया, दैट वाज लिंक्ड टू द कैंसर. हाउएवर, जिस ग्रुप ने सिर्फ अदर सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन लिया, इवन दो इट वाज अ हाई प्रोटीन, दे डिडंट शो एनी कैंसर रिलेट. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, द ग्रुप 2 जिनको प्रोसेस्ड मीट नहीं दिया गया था एंड अदर सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन सप्लाई किया था, इनफैक्ट इट हेल्प देम टू प्रिवेंट द रिस्क ऑफ कैंसर. नेक्स्ट वन, हार्ट डिजीज. Can a high protein diet cause heart diseases? A study was conducted by American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. It had 1,34,297 participants from 21 different countries. These participants were divided into 2 groups. Group 1 was provided with processed meat and Group 2 was provided with other sources of high protein. At the end of the study, it was observed Group 2 participant who had other sources of high protein had no relation with cardiovascular disease. So guys, the moral of the story is high protein diet is not an issue. Processed meat is dangerous. जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था, your body need lots of water in general, especially when you are on high protein diet. If you follow a high protein diet and you do not consume enough amount of water, it will definitely lead to dehydration. This is because when you follow high protein diet, nitrogen is created in your body which needs to be excreted through your urine. That's why you need water in your body. If you will not drink water, it will lead to dehydration. So guys, make sure you drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Overall guys, एक high protein diet या protein powder के ऐसे कोई scientific side effects नहीं है. Side effects तब होगा जब आपका fiber intake कम है, पानी intake कम है या आप processed meat खा रहे हो. I hope you like today's video. Please like, share और comment जरूर करिए. अगर आप ऐसे educational videos और देखना चाहते हो तो हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन क्लिक करिए.
Download the Hugo Life app now.